A trainee IAS officer, Pooja Khedkar, has frabbed headlines for allegedly misusing her power. This resulted in her transfer from Pune to Washim. She has demanded a separate cabin, official residence and support staff even before taking charge as assistant collector in Pune. Pune Traffic Police has seized Khedkar's Audi. She has used a red and blue beacon with a VIP number plate in private cars, which is a violation of Motor Vehicle Act. These facilities are typically not granted to probatory officers. Meanwhile, breaking news coming in at this point of time, Pune Rural Police has registered an FIR against Pooja Khedkar's parents and 5 others. A local farmer has filed a complaint. He has said that he has been allegedly threatened by Pooja's parents. In a viral video, Pooja's mother, Manorama Khedkar, is seen holding a gun. The FIR under sections 323, 504, 506 of the IPC have been registered, and charges under Arms Act have also been included. Prathamesh on the telecast with me. Prathamesh, shocking details emerging, as far as Pooja Khedkar, the IAS trainee, is concerned. Shocking developments coming in at this point of time. If you could take our viewers to what exactly we have been able to find.
Yes, correct. When the IAS Pooja Khedkar, when the investigation started, now the FIR has been also registered on her mother as well, because the video has came out few years which got viral, and in that video it has been seen that the mother is threatening few of the farmers. After that, the farmers has complained over to police, and now police is taking action on her mother as well. So police has registered the case for alleged threatening them, as well as because all the cases because the FIR is registered just because that she was threatening for the land as well, that it was been said by her mother that this land belongs to me, and by the farmer it was been saying that no, this land belongs to us. So because of that, this case has been registered as after the IAS Pooja Khedkar, she was a trainee officer, as she was using the unofficial number plate as well. So because of that, in a trainee, that you cannot use the Maharashtra Sassan tag as well as on your car, but she was using that on a private car where she was owning a Audi car, in which she was using the buzzer, the light as well of red and blue. So it is not allowed when you are in a trainee period. So she was using. So after that, on this case, now the police is investigating on this matter as well, and now the police is also investigating on her parents as well as on the threatening cases concerned. So in every of the situation, the CP of Pune Police, Amitesh Kumar, has given this strict instruction that the case should be investigated thoroughly, and none of the evidence should be dignified, and also the strict action should be taken if needed on this case. Yes.
Prathamesh, stay on with us. In fact, more breaking news coming in on the same front. Pune Rural Police has registered an FIR against Pooja Khedkar's parents and 5 others. A local farmer has in fact filed a complaint. He has said that he has been allegedly threatened by Pooja's parents. Of course, that's what we have been tracking. But when we talk about the FIR against her parents for allegedly threatening a local farmer, IAS officer Pooja Khedkar has said that she cannot share anything with media as it is against the rules. Let's in fact listen into what she said.
No, that's what I'm telling you. Related to this whole issue, I cannot say anything because the rules do not permit me to say. वही मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ कि इस विषय में मैं मीडिया के साथ कुछ शेयर नहीं कर सकती. जो भी होगा मैं कमेटी के सामने क्लियर करूँगी.
आपके पिता फरार है, इस पे क्या कहेंगे?
नहीं, आप जो भी कहेंगे मैं वही आपको फिर से कह रही हूँ कि इस इशू में मैं अभी कमेंट नहीं कर सकती. द सिविल सर्विस रूल्स डू नॉट परमिट मी टू स्पीक ऑन दिस.
Prathamesh still on the telecast with us. Prathamesh, of course, we heard what has been said by Pooja Khedkar. She's saying that she won't be speaking to the media because this is against the rules. But if you could take our viewers through what exactly are the latest developments that are coming in as far as this IAS trainee is concerned?
Yes, correct. First of all, we need to understand that from where this case has been started. So first of all, I want to tell the viewers that Pooja Khedkar was IAS 2023 pass out batch student, and she was doing training under the Pune collector office. And after that, as soon as the complaint was getting against her, so after that she was been posted to Washim. And after Washim, she was there also a trainee officer, trainee IAS officer over there. But after that, the complaints were coming over there that it was been said that in a private car, the red blue light is been there. Also, the Maharashtra Shasan tag is there. So in this training period, any of the IAS officer is not allowed to give any of the tag. So in this, the traffic police, Pune traffic police is investigating on this matter. So after that, when the media asked question to Pooja Khedkar that what do you think on it, all the investigation is going on, what is your views on it? So Pooja Khedkar has said that the civil service doesn't allow me to speak on this because still the investigation is going on, and between the investigation she won't allow to speak on this. As after this, the different stories are also coming now. The Pooja Khedkar parents, on Pooja Khedkar parents also the FIR is been registered now. So the investigation is now taking place against of the threatening case also, as it was been said that she was having a gun, her mother was having a gun. As per the sources, it was being said that she was having the gun. So on this everything, now police is investigating the case. The police has filed the case as well on the different types of section as well. So now the police is investigation on this thing, and we need to look that.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.